Hello everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the Steelseries Apex 7 mechanical keyboard. This one comes with the blue clicky switches, so the keyboard is going to be have a clicky sound. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. Okay, so here's the keyboard on top here, and I'm gonna take it out. So there's the booklet right here, and the wrist pad is at the bottom. Here's the keyboard itself right here, and then the cable. There's two USB cables because one is for the USB pass-through port and one is for the actual connection. Take a look here. This. Now I'm gonna open this part. So here's the keyboard. It's kind of good size, and the key pops like up a lot, like it's really tall. And this keyboard has a LED screen on the top right corner, and the USB pass-through port is right here. There's three areas for your cable management, so I'm actually going to move it to the center. And there's kickstands, two kickstands here. Now we're going to do a sound test real quick. I have two mics right now, so one is the Blue Yeti, the one I'm recording on right now, and also my phone's mic on Blue Yeti. Okay, and now I'm gonna switch the mic to my phone's mic. Alright, now I'm gonna move back to my Blue Yeti. Alright, that's it for the sound test. So here's the wrist rest. Okay, so the wrist rest is magnetic, so I think you just snap it on. Yep, it just goes right into it. Oh, so it's pretty good. The height here is pretty good, so I'm putting my wrist here and pretty good. So when I take off the wrist rest, it's a good size keyboard, so I'll leave it on for now. Actually, I'll compare the sounds. So this is my old keyboard. So there is sound, but there's no clicks. Now this is the blue. This is the red. This is blue. The red, I feel like it's more smooth. It takes less force to click the key, and on the blue it takes a little more force, but you feel the click. So now I'm gonna connect it to my computer. Oh, there it is. So here you see the color. It's pretty good color actually. You can't really see it well on camera, but I'll show it closely. These are the default keycaps, so there isn't much light you can see through it. These are the colors close up, and this is the LCD monitor. And the keycaps are like fully solid, so you can't really see the colors come through. So I got these HyperX putting keycaps. So it basically has the transparency at the bottom, and then the colors will shine through properly. And also it's double shot PBT material, English US layouts. Also comes with the removal tool right here. I'll do a quick typing test. Damn, these keys are pretty good. Let's go. That was pretty good. The keys felt amazing actually, like on the new blue switches. Got 92% accuracy. I actually made more mistakes than on my old keyboard because I feel like the backspace has a different like position and some of the keys as well. But it should be the same, I don't know why. I guess it's the switch actually. And I got 96.79 words per minute. That's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it and make sure to subscribe for more. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.